First Warning Weather with meteorologist Tommy House.
Hey, a pretty shot here of the Austin skyline. We had a bird that was flying around just earlier. Looks like it just took off. But we have mostly clear skies, and we'll be keeping that trend through the overnight hours. It's still warm, 80 degrees right now. Winds out of the south-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Humidity at 29%. Temperatures were all in the upper 70s and low 80s. 80 in Georgetown, Milam County, 80 in Cameron, 79 in LaGrange, 79 out toward Llano County as well. Here's your evening planner. Temperatures will continue to drop from the 70s to the 60s by 11 p.m. We'll keep the mostly clear trend overnight heading off into your Sunday. High temperatures tomorrow. Winds will be out of the south. Not expecting any sort of rain for the second half of your weekend. All of us in the upper 70s and low 80s. All right, wind gusts will also pick up. We'll be mostly calm through the overnight hours, but then past around 10 a.m. tomorrow, up to 30 mile per hour at times through the afternoon and evening hours. These winds will be out of the southwest. Therefore, we have a very high wildfire risk for portions of San Saba, Mason, Gillespie, and Llano County. A high risk that is pretty much west of I-35 and then moderate east of I-35. So just prepare for that. Also, we have something we're tracking through the upper levels. This is about a mile up off the surface. We're going to be talking about a trough moving in Monday into Tuesday. See this dip in the jet stream? That is colder air coming in from the north at those upper levels, which means this is a perfect severe weather setup heading off Monday into Tuesday. So let's talk about it. We have a lot of thunderstorm instability that will be building in Monday into Tuesday. It's not a ton, but it's still decent enough to bring some sort of severe weather through the very early morning hours on Tuesday in central Texas, and then this will move eastward and bring the possibility for some stronger storms. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted a good amount of eastern Texas. Notice Austin's out of that specific possible zone in the yellow here, and then probable, which is a little bit more likely for northern Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, as well as western Tennessee. So this is through the day on Tuesday. So I'm not expecting big severe weather here in central Texas itself, hence the rainfall amounts. Really nothing to talk about. 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 of an inch for Austin, and then 1/4 of an inch to an inch farther north and east. However, if we do see things evolve and change, we'll let you know at the First Warning Weather Center. Here's how it's going to look through the day tomorrow. We'll have a little bit of some morning upper level clouds that will clear out, and then mostly the rain will be staying to our north. We'll have this little piece of energy here. That's not the big severe weather. That should be clearing out Sunday into Monday. And then Monday itself, we're going to have a little bit of moisture sticking around. And then let's zoom on in here through Tuesday. By 9:30, see this linear structure of storms? Possibility there for some tornadoes and damage and wind. But again, Austin's not in it. It's going to be more north and east toward Tyler. So therefore, we have the lower rain chances just at 40%. Beyond that, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, things are looking pretty dry. So yeah, I mean, this is the only thing to talk about weather-wise Monday into Tuesday that could cause some sort of problems, but it should be clearing out pretty quickly by Tuesday afternoon. Pretty mild tonight, tomorrow into the upper 70s, low 80s, and our rain chances beyond Tuesday drop off until next Saturday, back up to 10%.